Hey everybody, how's it going? Happy Tuesday evening. Tuesdays is, I guess it's Tool Truck Tuesdays for me. Um, Tuesdays, our local Snap-on dealer, that's the day they come into our town. So yeah, I usually meet up with him on Tuesdays if I'm around. And today I grabbed these strippers slash crimpers. Part number is PWCS7ACF. And yeah, they're really nice, made in USA, really small. These are the 7-inch ones. They got on the crimping, or sorry, on the stripping there, they got, what is it, 20 up or down to 12 gauge. I kind of wish they did 10 gauge as well. And then on the tips, they got kind of pliers on the very top, bare and insulated crimpers, and then they got cutters on the bottom there. Yeah, beautiful pliers. They got the nice green handle. I kind of like pink. Snap-on doesn't have a lot in pink. So if they don't have pink, I usually go for high vis or green. This was not available in high vis, so I got green. And yeah, I really like them. I'll probably get something. I have something that does 10 gauge right now, but I kind of want to, like, these are super handy. Depending on the situation, these strip inside, but it's also really handy once in a while, depending on the situation, to be stripping on the outside, if you know what I mean. So, and then crimping on the inside here. So Snap-on's got another set that I'll probably grab that strips on the outside and crimps on the inside. But yeah, these are great. I really like them. And then I just grabbed some flank drive impact sockets, 6-point. They're a 1/2-inch drive, and I got a 27 mil shallow, a 23 mil shallow, and 25 mil deep, and 23 mil deep. So yeah, I usually just grab a couple sockets a week and whatever else and have a quick chat with them. And yeah, it's a good time. Thanks for watching.